Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Force Abundance, and day 2 of shooting for the TV pilot and getting everything prepared for this epic install. We're just about ready to go take off and go get some last minute plants and some features to throw in the backyard of this beautiful food forest. And it's amazing. 2 days so far with 4 more days to go or 3 more days to go, but the real fun starts tomorrow when all our designers and installers show up. So we'll have 30 people on the scene here helping with this install. But anyway, food forests everywhere, people. Love you and have an amazing day.